Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited for today's video because it has been highly requested. A lot of people have been asking what I do at the gym, how I train legs, how I've been building my glutes. And so today I'm going to take you to the gym with me and show you what I do for a typical leg workout. This is kind of like my go-to leg workout. Before I get ready and we get there, I just wanted to show you guys a couple things really quick. So these are the Glenda high top sneakers from Vivaya. They sent me these and I love them. I've been lifting in them now for a couple weeks and I just love the flexibility of this material. What I love about this company is that they are repackaging, recycling everything, right? So the tops of these are actually made from plastic bottles, recycled plastic bottles. All the packaging that they come in is recycled cardboard. I love like this pink, like with the white. I just think that there's such like a crisp, clean look to these. And I've noticed such a big difference in lifting since I started using flat shoes back in January. So back in January, I bought my first pair of shoes. These are my second, and I just love them. So that is the Glenda high tops. And then really quick, the Jenny shoes in black. And once again, these are made from recycled plastic bottles. These are just easy slip-ons. I love both of these because I feel like you can wear them with sweats, you can wear them with jeans, you can dress them up, you can dress them down, whatever you want to do. The high tops are great because you can wear them to the gym, you can wear them out. It's all great. But yeah, I just wanted to highlight this company because they are doing amazing things in the space right now. I love companies that are figuring out ways to repurpose things so that we don't have as much waste in the world. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. I would be happy to answer any of them. Also, use code BRITA18 if you want to check out Vivaya. The link to their website is down below. Also, if you enjoy this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It really does help me to be able to continue making great content for you guys. So please smash that subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you never miss a video with me. And now let's get ourselves to the gym.